What is up, guys? My name is Zach from SimplexServers. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install and set up the Votifier plugin for your Minecraft server. The first thing I'm going to do is go and connect to my server with FTP. If you don't know how to do that, you can see our previous video on how to connect with FTP and set up WinSCP. There should be a link in the description below. So I'm going to go and log in there. And the first thing I'm going to do is head to the plugins directory, and I'm just going to go ahead and take both the Votifier plugin and the Votifier scripts plugin. Both of these will be in the description below. Votifier is the actual connection plugin to the post, such as Planet Minecraft, and Votifier scripts is the plugin that you will configure on any rewards you like to give to the player. So let's say you want to give the player a diamond, which we'll be doing in this example, when they vote. So I'm going to go ahead and take both of these and just drag them to the plugins folder. Okay, now that's done. I'm just going to go ahead and restart my server. If I look in the console, I should be able to see that both plugins loaded successfully. I see Votifier and Votifier scripts. That should be good. So if I go back and then I refresh, I'm going to just hit right click and hit refresh, I should see it created two folders, one for Votifier and one for Votifier scripts. Now if you are on a shared hosting server, you will have to change the port, most likely. So you can do that from going into the Votifier directory and then going to config. So I'm just going to go ahead and edit that. I'm going to right click and hit edit. That should open up. Now it should automatically fill in the IP for you and the port. If not, you can get that information from here. Right here it shows my IP. So I can just go ahead and copy and paste that right here. Now I'm going to set the port. This, you can set it to any number that you want. Every server has to have a different port though. So if you try 8192 and you see that it's not available, then it will not work. So I recommend you just type in a random port. So I'm going to do 4321. I don't recommend you do that because it's too easy. But I'm going to go ahead and just use that. So I'm just going to go ahead and save. Depending on how you have it set up, you might have to re-upload the config file. I have it set up to automatically upload when I save the file, so I'm good there. Now the next thing that I need to do is I need to go into the folder called RSA. Now it created two different keys. This is the key that you'll enter in for the post, such as Planet Minecraft. It'll ask you for it. So if I go and open that up, it should be a long string of text that doesn't make any sense. But if you just want to go ahead and right click and copy it, we'll need that later. So I'm going to leave it open. Now the next thing I'm going to do is head over to any post that you would like that supports Votifier. In this case, I'm going to use Planet Minecraft. So once I'm at Planet Minecraft, I'm going to go ahead and head over to my post and then go to the Votifier tab here at the top. And then, as you can see, it requires three fields: the IP address, the port, and then the public key. We're going to go ahead and fill in the address, which you can find from your panel. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy that. And then the port is the port number that you entered just a second ago in the config.yml. So that is 4321 is what I put it to. Yours will probably be different. And then next is the Votifier public key. This can be found by going to plugins, Votifier, RSA, and then it's the public.key. This is the one that we copied earlier. So I'm going to go ahead and select it and then copy it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and paste that there. I'm just going to go ahead and hit the test Votifier connection. and you should get a green box that says successfully connected to your Votifier server. And if you see that, then you are good to go. Go ahead and hit enable Votifier, and then all should be working. Now I'm going to go ahead and set up the Votifier scripts plugin. So I'm going to go and head over to the Votifier scripts directory and open the vote-script.txt. So this is going to be where you configure what exactly you want it to do. By default, you should have something that looks similar to this. So what this means is that it's going to broadcast to the server, and then it's going to broadcast to this message. So this says it's going to broadcast a message, thanks for voting, comma, and then the target percent is actually the player's name. So it'll say thanks for voting, player name. It'll say that to the whole server, and then it'll run the following command to the server, which is give, and then the player name 264, which is the item ID for diamond, and then 1. So it'll say thanks for voting, and then it'll give the player 1 diamond. So now we're going to go and head over to Minecraft, and we can test to see if this works. So now that I'm in Minecraft, I'm just going to go ahead and run the /vs test command, and then followed by the name of the player, so SimplexServers, and hit enter. Then I should see that it ran the script, and it did. So it said thanks for voting, SimplexServers, and then it gave me 1 diamond, just like in the config. Now that script should run just like it did for the test every time someone votes for the server with their correct name. If you're having trouble setting up Votifier or Votifier scripts, please feel free to submit a ticket, and we will be more than happy to assist you with getting that set up. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.